Here's our isolator mount. We have ours mounted to the front of the leg on our isolator. You can see that it's attached to the front. It does extend a little bit to the side, but it doesn't stick out any more than this handle that's on the side of the isolator itself. The post that's mounted to the bracket allows the whole fixture to be moved up and down, so that you could have this up higher near the top here where the arm begins, or you could have it down closer towards the bottom. If we have the arm positioned so that it would be up against a wall here next to the isolator, we could fully extend it to a point that this farthest point on the right side here where the scanner is, that extends 42 inches from the handle at the front of the isolator. So even if this remains fixed more or less against a wall because you have your isolator positioned tightly against the wall, you still have some range of motion where this tray can be swung up and down. It can also be tipped towards you or away from you, depending on how you like your work surface. And again, as I mentioned before, the whole arm itself can be raised and lowered to give you some different options. If you had along this wall, that we don't have one here, but if you had some shelving or something else that was going to be an obstacle on the side here. We also had a question about the front of the isolator opening easily, and I think just looking at the edge of the handle here, where there's plenty of clearance between it and the post, and there's plenty of room for swing between this and the side of the tray here that can easily be moved out of the way. So looking at the chart measurements, it's important to remember that the measurements are given for this plate that's attached to the back of the tray, so we do have some extra length on the front because we have this tray that's mounted on the end of the arm. You might need to take that into consideration when you're looking at how it'll fit into your space.